Liying 1GZL-230 self-propelled crawler rotary tiller tractor. Liying 1GZL-230 model tractor applied powerful 102 horsepower diesel engine. Hydraulic stepless speed change HST mechanical speed change 3-speed gearbox. 3-point suspension rotary tiller. Rotary tiller working with reaches 2300 mm whether tilling, planting, seeding, applying nutrients or transporting. It gives farmers the increased strength and power you need to cultivate land with SE and convene. Perfect for both dry land and paddy. Working quality and reliability are tested in harsh working conditions by clients from more than 30 countries, which make it a prime choice for farmers seeking a high-performing, versatile, and reliable tractor, designed and manufactured for the earth and for the life.